let's find the value of x in this particular equation. However, if you think it's very simple, you might likely make that mistake that a lot of students will make while trying to solve this question. What's that? If you try to cancel this square because of this square root, then you are going to make a very big mistake. However, let's see the proper way of doing that. If I have this now, all I need to do to cancel this is to square both sides. So if I square both sides, I'm going to have that what? The square roots of x cubed plus 2x squared all square equal x squared all square. So if I have this now, this and this can multiply because the law of indices that states that x raised to power of a all raised to power of b is the same thing as saying x to the power of ab. That is, this and this can multiply. So if that should be the case, this is going to cancel this. Then I'm going to have x cubed plus 2x squared equal x to the power of 4. So for me to get the entire value for x, I have to take this to the other side. Then I have x to the power of 4 minus x cubed minus 2x squared equal 0. Let's factorize out x squared because it seems common here. Then I'm going to have this to be x squared minus x minus 2 equal 0. So from here now, I can factorize what is inside this place. So if I factorize that, if I factorize what is in here, then I'm going to be having x squared into bracket x plus 1 into x minus 2. That's a factor of this, and everything equal 0. So if this should be the case, if this multiplied by this can give us 0, that simply means that x squared can be 0, or x plus 1 can be 0, or x minus 2 can be 0. So if any of these three equal to 0, automatically when they multiplied each other, our result is still going to be 0. Therefore, we can say the value of x is x squared equals 0 is still that x equals 0, or this is going to be x equal negative 1, or this is going to be x equal 2. So either of these three x value, we are still going to what? Get a proper result for the given equation. And that is just it. I hope you find this useful. Don't forget to follow for more.